Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Thursday, the 29th of August. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday. The only data to be released was from the US. It was crude oil inventories. That came in at negative 10 million barrels. That was better than the forecast, and consequently oil did take a little bit of a stimulus from that data and jumped up a little bit more. The major news, I guess, from the FX markets came from the UK, where we saw Boris Johnson attempt a political maneuver to effectively suspend government until the 14th of August. That was designed to block PMs who are opposing Brexit negotiations. Consequently, the cable GBP USD did drop around about 100 plus pips within minutes as a consequence of those actions. That was pretty much all that happened yesterday. So let us now jump into our chart of the day. The chart that we are looking at this morning it's the Euro Kiwi on a daily timescale. Now you can see here from this chart that a channel has started to develop, a rising channel. We have on the bottom side two confirmed touches, and the market rejected off those, and on the top side we've got 1, 2, and let's call this cluster the second touch. So we effectively can confirm that there is some kind of a channel. So naturally what we're going to look for now is we want to see some kind of price action reversal occurring in this hot zone. If we do get the candle formation that we're looking for here, well, then that's our trigger and we will be happy to take the short trade. Now remember, we don't just trade off the level, because if this continues to rise through that level, well then effectively the channel fails. So at the very least what we want is the price action to confirm that reversal. It increases our probability, and that's generally the way that we do it on the daily call. So our chart of the day this morning, Euro Kiwi on a daily time scale. Add that one to your hot list. Let's see if we can get that price action reversal happening in the next day or so. What's coming up for the session which is about to kick off? We have this morning at 11 o'clock from New Zealand, we have the ANZ Business Confidence Number. At 11:30 locally we have our private capital expenditure numbers, and then this evening at 10:30 tonight from the US we have the preliminary GDP numbers which are due out. That wraps up the session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.